Dear friends, today is November 1st, the solemnity of All Saints. I wish all of you a happy feast of All Saints. May the saints intercede for us. Our saints were once on earth like us. They were human beings, but they responded to the grace of God and now they have reached heaven. Let us take to heart their good example and let us also walk in their footsteps so that we also will be able to reach our home, heaven. This exhibition, which is planned by our seminarians, this exhibition is a type of meditation on the lives of saints, the path they have taken to reach heaven. Our purpose is to help all those who visit us to understand the glory of heaven and take appropriate means to reach heaven. This idea of exhibition just came in 2 weeks ago, and within no time we were able to materialize this with the help and cooperation of the seminarians, especially third-year philosophers. I salute all of them for their hard work in planning and meticulously executing this exhibition. Since yesterday, many priests, seminarians, religious and people have visited this exhibition, and they were all more than happy to see our collection, and they have expressed their appreciation for our good work.
आज म्हाका सगळ्यात आशिल्लें बरीच जाता. आज सर संतां भक्तांचो दीस. म्हाका एक सांज जायजे म्हणून मस्त आशा जाली. सिस्टर प्रेमा आसा पूण सेंट प्रेमा ना नेंगी. हांवें एक सांतीन जावन नजो कित्याक म्हूण म्हाका बगलें. बारीकच सोबीत एक्झिबिशन हांगाच रावया म्हणून जाता. संतां भक्तां सांगाता. What is the speciality or what is the special collections that we have in this exhibition? We have more than 50 relics of martyrs and saints. We have statues, we have pictures of many saints. Some of the paintings were drawn by our own seminarians and priests. We have a special statue of Jesus in meditation. We have a special painting of marriage feast at Cana, Palm Sunday, and so many other
drawings that were drawn by our own seminarians. I hope you will be happy to go through this exhibition, know what the saints have done by looking at their pictures and statues, and will be able to reach our goal, heaven, our homeland.
Heartiest congratulations to the rector's staff and the brothers of St. Joseph Seminary for putting up this very beautiful exhibition, because it gives us a bird's eye view of the saints of the church. And to have the relics to here, I feel it's a very holy experience for all of us who have come for this exhibition, because having relics of so many saints in one place, it's a very rare privilege. So it's really good to know about the lives of the saints, where they've given us a summary, and it inspires each one of us to live holy lives, especially on this feast of All Saints' Day, so that we can carry on the message of Christ, of living the gospel values in our daily encounter with people. I look forward to more of such exhibitions, which would help all of us to get to know more of the church and the people of God who have really given their lives tirelessly for spreading the gospel values in our midst.